Hi everybody! So we're starting off in our classic vase, adding in some flower food, trimming the ends of all my stems and removing any foliage that sits below the vase neckline. Then start off with your roses, 360 around the edge, and then face your santini opposite each other. This is forming a sort of supportive structure. Into that structure you can add your limonium, and then you can gently pull its branches out towards the edge. Add the eucalyptus, this stuff smells incredible. Around the edge, maybe a little bit in the center, depending on the shape of yours. But again, you're creating more structure so that these stalks, which also smell amazing, can now stand upright in the middle. Then on either side of the stalks, we've got some spray carnations. I love these things, they just add a zap of color. There we go, give it a spin. Quite wild, but I love it. Okay, now onto the frog. So I've got a nice pink pedestal here and I'm covering the spikes just over the top with water so that the bottom of the stems just hit it, and make sure you keep refilling the water every few days. Now what I'm trying to do here is work with my rounder flowers first, so my roses, and I've got those at different heights. I'm just working my way around 360 all the time. The santini are my sort of secondary flowers, and I put them at different heights as well, and then the stalks are creating a bit more of a line through the top. These spray carnations, again, they're kind of filling the gaps a little bit, and then with the limonium, I've broken bits of that off, and I'm just tucking that around to the base so that it covers the mechanic a bit. And you can do the same with the eucalyptus, which just gives a little bit of width and wildness. You can't really go too wrong with it, it's just about having some fun. Finishing with my bud vases, so I've got 3 beautiful glass bud vases here, all of the same height. And into those, I'm putting some roses first, not into all of them, just a couple of them. Make sure, I like to pull the petals back a bit, called reflexing, and you can do this when they're about a week old. You can gently peel the petals back towards the stem. You don't need to use all the flowers in your arrangement, just a few bits. Here I'm breaking up some of the limonium and eucalyptus and just tucking that in as well, making sure each one feels a little bit unique. So there we go, and you can dot these either on your table or anywhere in the house.